What if I told you that the difference between struggling financially and building lasting wealth comes down to where you put your money? In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 best investment ideas that can help you grow your wealth, secure your future, and achieve financial freedom. Whether you're a beginner investor or looking to expand your portfolio, these investment options can set you on the right path. Some of these are low risk, while others have high growth potential, but they all have one thing in common: they work. Stay with me until the end because I'll also reveal the best strategy to maximize your returns. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on powerful wealth-building strategies. 1. Investing in index funds for steady growth. Index funds are one of the easiest and safest ways to grow your wealth over time. They provide instant diversification by spreading your investment across hundreds or even thousands of companies. Unlike individual stocks, which can be volatile, index funds offer consistent long-term returns. Historically, major index funds like the S&P 500 have averaged around 8 to 10% annual growth. The beauty of index funds is that they require little to no maintenance you invest and let compound interest do the work. This makes them perfect for beginner investors or those who prefer a hands-off approach. Since they have low fees compared to actively managed funds, more of your money stays invested and grows. The key to success with index funds is patience. Letting them compound over decades can turn even small investments into significant wealth. 2. Real estate investing for passive income. Real estate remains one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available. Whether it's rental properties, house flipping, or commercial real estate, investing in property can generate both cash flow and long-term appreciation. Rental properties provide passive income every month, while property values often rise over time, increasing your net worth. Many successful investors use leverage, taking out a mortgage to buy properties, allowing them to grow wealth faster. However, real estate does require upfront capital, research, and property management skills. Investing in real estate investment trusts is another great alternative for those who want real estate exposure without owning physical property. The key to success in real estate is location, cash flow analysis, and proper financial planning. 3. Stocks for high growth potential. Investing in individual stocks can be a great way to build wealth, but it comes with higher risk. The stock market has created countless millionaires, but it requires knowledge, patience, and a solid strategy. Picking the right stocks involves researching companies, understanding their financials, and evaluating industry trends. Growth stocks companies that reinvest their profits to expand can offer massive returns, but they can also be volatile. Dividend stocks, on the other hand, provide consistent income, making them attractive for long-term investors. A diversified stock portfolio can balance risk and reward, helping you achieve financial success. The key is to invest in strong businesses with long-term potential and hold them through market fluctuations. 4. Bonds for stability and security. Bonds are an excellent investment for those looking for stability, especially during economic downturns. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to a company or government in exchange for fixed interest payments. While bonds don't offer the same high returns as stocks, they provide a reliable income stream and lower risk. Treasury bonds, municipal bonds, and corporate bonds each offer different levels of safety and return potential. Many investors use bonds to balance their portfolio, reducing overall volatility. Holding a mix of stocks and bonds can create a well-rounded investment strategy that weathers market fluctuations. 5. Cryptocurrency for high-risk, high-reward potential. Cryptocurrency has revolutionized the investment landscape, offering opportunities for massive gains. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have generated incredible returns for early adopters. However, crypto is highly volatile, and prices can swing dramatically in a short period. Investing in crypto requires understanding blockchain technology, market trends, and risk management. Many experts recommend investing only a small portion of your portfolio in crypto to balance risk. Stablecoins, staking, and decentralized finance also offer additional ways to earn passive income in the crypto space. While the potential for high returns is there, it's essential to stay informed and never invest more than you can afford to lose. 6. Dividend stocks for passive income. Dividend stocks provide a steady stream of passive income while still offering potential growth. Companies that pay dividends distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, allowing you to earn money without selling your shares. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate your wealth building through compound interest. Many blue-chip companies, such as Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson, have paid dividends for decades, making them reliable investments. A well-diversified dividend portfolio can provide both stability and growth, making it ideal for long-term investors. The key is to choose companies with strong financials and a history of consistent dividend payments. 7. Investing in yourself for unlimited returns. One of the best investments you can make is in your own skills and education. Learning new skills, improving your knowledge, and expanding your expertise can increase your earning potential dramatically. Whether it's taking courses, reading books, or gaining certifications, self-investment pays lifelong dividends. Developing financial literacy, business acumen, or high-income skills like coding or marketing can open doors to greater opportunities. Many successful people attribute their financial success to continuous learning and self-improvement. The key is to focus on skills that have long-term value and align with your career or business goals. 8. Starting a business for financial independence. Starting your own business can be one of the most rewarding investments, offering unlimited income potential. Whether it's an online business, consulting, or a traditional brick-and-mortar store, entrepreneurship allows you to take control of your financial destiny. While businesses require effort, risk, and initial investment, they also offer high rewards. Many successful entrepreneurs started with small ideas that grew into multi-million-dollar enterprises. The key to success is identifying a profitable niche, providing value, and consistently improving your business. 9. Peer-to-peer lending for alternative income. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to earn interest by lending money directly to individuals or small businesses. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect investors with borrowers, cutting out traditional banks. This investment offers higher returns than savings accounts or bonds, but comes with default risks. Diversifying your loans and choosing reliable borrowers can help manage risk. Many investors use peer-to-peer lending to generate passive income with relatively low effort. 10. Investing in commodities for economic stability. Commodities like gold, silver, and oil are great hedges against inflation and economic uncertainty. Precious metals have been a store of value for centuries and tend to perform well when markets are volatile. Investing in commodities can diversify your portfolio and provide protection during economic downturns. Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about making smart investment choices and taking action. Whether you choose stocks, real estate, crypto, or even investing in yourself, the key is to start today. Every small step you take brings you closer to financial independence. Which of these investments do you think is the best for you? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on the best wealth-building strategies. Also, turn on notifications because I'll be sharing more powerful tips to help you grow your money and achieve financial success. From $0 to $100,000. My step-by-step money blueprint. See you in the next video.